Your kids.
I'm watching my child. We're on the train.
A dark train
We're going through the tunnel.
of death. You know you're filming complete dark.
It's Splash Mountain coming up. That's the bed.
We're going to stop at Toontown.
I don't know yet.
If I want to.
We're traveling along the rivers of America and into the American frontier as it looked more than a century ago. This
Daniel?
area is so rich with
You having a fun time today?
wildlife.
Yes.
You can see why the early
Look,
settlers
there's a
were inspired to
fantastic
move west. You're seeing this view just like many of them did, from the comfort of a genuine steam-powered train. When those iron horses first started crisscrossing the country in the 1800s, the time it took folks to reach the west dropped from months to matter of days. But steam power not only fueled
Look,
trains,
Native American.
the whole new generation as they settled this great frontier.
What is that annoying noise? Oh, look, barbecue.
Next stop is Toontown Depot. Your stop which is Toontown Disneyland as well as the Christmas fair.
What?
I wish I did go to the back now so you don't get any smoke in your face.
Well, should we go all the way round and then go round again to Toontown and get off?
Oh,
What? You want to see? No, 'cause this way we get to see everything and then we'll come back round and get off to Toontown. Yeah.
we're not
Mother
doing
has
that.
spoken.
And then we're going all around.
No, we're going to go all the way around and then get off to Toontown. That's alright. That way we get to see the diorama and everything. Right, off now. Bye bye.